What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial, I will explain you how you can write in file. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
First of all, you will write the same line of code which you have written in our previous program with open, then type the file name where you want to write. Let's say we want to write in here new ones dot txt, then as files. Then simply type files, this variable name dot write, then write the text which you want to write there. Let's say I love Python. First let me show you what is written here. You can see that here it is written as new file created. Okay, but if I go there and run this program, it will overwrite that program. In simple words, it will clean this text and write this I love Python. Let me show you. Python UI error. Okay guys, for writing we have to put here comma w, and if I again run it and open the file, here you can see that it has overwritten this text here. Now if you want to create a new file with another name and write there, simply name the file which you want to create. Let's say my file, and save and type any letter you want and run the program. It will create a new file for you. Okay, and let me show you one more thing. If you want to check what you can do with this open, simply type in your command line python now help parentheses open. It will show you all the command which you can do with the open. For checking, press your enter till this is a long directory, till you get this three arrows. Let me show you what you can do. In place of this W, if you put R, you will open the file for reading. For W, open a file for writing. For X, you will create a new file. Type A for open and append the text. Let me show you. If you don't want to overwrite this file but want to add text here, simply put A and type the lines you want to append, and make sure you put this slash plus n because it will give a line space there. Now type your words which you want to enter. This is my file. Save, and if you run the program, let me run that in new terminal and open the file. Wait, you can see that it has been written here. Okay, in my this file, my file. Okay, you can see that, and you can try other function also. For B, for binary mode, text mode, open disk, you can try them all yourself. If you have any doubt for any kind of help you want from me, you can comment me below. I will happy to help you, and thank you, and meet you in the next tutorial.